welcome back, and today I'm going to review the new product from the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural range, which is this gel kajal. This is the gel kajal infused with aloe vera and calendula oil, and this is how the packaging looks like, and you have all the information mentioned around the box, like how you can use it and everything. It says a first of its kind pot kajal with an applicator is infused with the natural goodness of aloe vera and calendula oil, giving a super intense black for defined eyes, perfect for your everyday bright look. It says it is a waterproof gel liner, so we will check that out, and says for best results please watch the applicator after every use. So the product that you get is 3 grams and it retails for 400 rupees. So this is the brush, the tiny brush that you get, but this is like really sharp, like which can reach the corner. You just have to be a little careful so that you don't really poke your eyes. And this is the first gel liner from Lakme. So let's go ahead and quickly try this out and we'll talk more about it. So let's go ahead and try this gel liner out. So once you open it, this is how the packaging is. This is the brush right here and the pot is right here in this. So take this out and this is how it looks like. It has a rose gold finish to it. And it says Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Gel Kajal infused with aloe vera and calendula oil. And this is how it looks like. I love how you see this new things, and then I just don't feel like destroying it, but then you have to use it, right? So let's go ahead and try this out. I'm gonna take out the brush. I've taken a tiny bit on this, and let me get my mirror. It's good that you are able to reach the corners. Really smooth though, and it's very dark. So yeah, I think I like it. And I just want to try, like I do my tight lining my eyes, like the inner corners. So I think I can easily do that too. I think I like it. It's really dark, and then if you want, I think you can even darken it. So it's just a waterline where I applied it, and now with the brush not picking up any more product, I'm just smudging it out. It looks pretty intense. It's so nice. Now this is a kajal. It's not really the liner, but I'm just going ahead and trying this out. Pretty nice though, right? So this is without it. This is with it. So even I think with the for your liner, it can work nicely if you're like really careful. You kind of touch here, but it gives a very smoky look at the outer side and then very dark at the inner side, as you guys can see. So I'll just complete my other eye and we'll talk more about it. Alright guys, so as you guys saw how I applied this kajal on my waterline, I even tight lined my eyes and applied that as a liner, and my first thought, I really love it. Like I used to love the gel liners, like I started with the Maybelline one when it was just launched, and I have used a lot of pots of theirs, but then I think the formula changed. I don't know if you guys have felt it. If you guys have felt that way as well, just mention that in the comment below so that I know that I'm not alone. Alright, so anyways, coming back to the topic, that was the gel liner that I really used to love, but their formula changed and then it used to become very dry, and so even when it is in the pot, then you just have to keep on poking. It won't really come on your eyes. I kind of switched to the the liner, the kajal pencils and everything of that sort. When I saw that Lakme is launching this gel liner, I was like really excited. I had to try it, so I did order it from Amazon. Used it, as you guys saw, it was so smooth, it was so soft. Now I don't know if it is going to dry up or anything. It should not really dry up. I hope it doesn't dry. I think the price is perfect. It's just 400 rupees and you get the product. It will take a lot of time to really complete this pot. So let's go ahead and talk about the brush that you get. I know it's not like the best of the brushes, but it's just that you can just, reach every corner. I was able to apply that on the corner right here, and then over here I could make a wing as well. I was thinking I won't be able to really do it, and it's intense. I think I applied like 2 coats of it, and it's good to go. It's amazing. I really like it. I think I'm in love with it. The only thing I don't like about gel liners is that you have to carry your brush every time you're traveling as well. So it's not really travel friendly, because if you forget your brush or maybe it's lost, then you can't really do much about this when you are traveling somewhere, right? So you need to have a brush for it. Otherwise ये ऐसे सुरमा वाला स्टाइल में ना ऐसे ही बस लगाना पड़ेगा जैसे पुराने पॉट्स में काजल लगाते थे. So I think that's how it's gonna work. I don't know, but yeah, I think you need the brush for sure. I think I like the kajal. I don't really have anything bad about it to share. It has aloe vera and calendula oil, so good things. Calendula oil is actually गेंदे के फूल का oil, just in case if you guys don't know. I did a research on it because I was like, what oil is that? So I should know. Alright, and the other thing that you can really use with this gel kajal, because it's really smooth, is you can apply that on all over your eyelid and you can work it up for a smoky eye look. It's gonna be amazing. So just let me know if you guys want me to make a separate video using this gel kajal as for a smoky eye. We can go ahead and do that as well. So that will be the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you find this video helpful. If you guys did, then please don't forget to like my video. Alright guys, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in my next one now. Bye.